No, sir. Nope. And what's up, Effie? Hello. Hello to Hartman. Hello to, let's see, who else was in the chat? Let me make sure. Somebody else said hi. Phil Bose Kim is back. Yeah, great to see you back again. Yeah, all right. So we'll move right along. I think we'll have a little palate cleanser first while I'm sort of setting up. But what we're going to do is we're going to get into our first tune for today, which is a beautiful ballad that Django Reinhardt performed. And I'll share that all with you guys in a second. Let's see, what should we listen to? Well, you know what? We'll listen to, I know what we'll do. We'll go to Django in June, and then I'll show you. So I included some of these links if you're on the email list, which is nearing 700 people now, the email list. I included links in the email, but this is how you do it. You go to djangoinjune.com, which is an adult summer camp that's going to start in 2 weeks. And then you're going to go to Bei dir war es immer so schön. I think I said that correctly. And let's check out our reference recording for this one. We will listen to this. There's also Gwen Cahew, the violinist, who's coming this year. Jeremy Arranger, Guillaume Gali. I'll let you guys listen to that while I get myself set up. Hey, Euro Cafe. Thank you for sharing that. Do that. A lot of stuff here. Barry Warhoftig showed that to me for the first time in my early years of playing gypsy jazz. He's the guy who runs the Hot Club of Philadelphia. And I believe he told me that he learned it from Fappy, I think, if I remember correctly. Let's check out some other versions of this. So originally, this was not a jazz ballad. This was like kind of a pop ballad. Here it is from 1954, although Django died in 1953. So undoubtedly, this is not super relevant as far as the versions that would have inspired him. Let's see, when? A tribute to Sibyl. Let's see. Let's see if I can find an early version. This may or may not be early. Let's see this one here. I can't tell. But just so you can hear the original, I like to hear the sort of popular version or in addition to hearing the jazz version.
kleine Welt wie ein Kartenhaus zerfällt, schmerzt mich sehr. Ich steh da mit leeren Händen und bin arm wie nie zuvor. Denn mein Reichtum warst nur du, und nun frag ich mich, wozu war mich her. Bei dir war es immer so schön, und es fällt mir unsagbar schwer zu gehen, denn nur bei dir war ich wirklich zu Hause. Doch der Traum, den ich hier geträumt, ist aus. Warum hast du mir nicht so nie getan? Und was fang ich ohne dich an? Bei dir war es immer so schön, doch weil du eine andere liebst, muss ich gehen.
Ba-di-di-di. It doesn't sound all that different from sort of the ballad version. I would say the same sensibility, really, which is cool. I'm just trying to get this. I keep forgetting Mike at Liberty Bellas is so nice to lend me the MIDI accordion so that way I can work on the visualizer and all that sort of stuff. And I promised him that I would plug it, and so I want to make sure that I plug it. This beautiful bell tuna, which really set up as a wonderful sort of folk instrument. I think it's 96 basses. All the details are there. You can find it on Liberty Bellas, or if you're interested, email me and I'll send you the listing. But I want to make sure that I promote that as well. All right, so moving on. Wow, that is an arresting portrait right there. She's looking right at us, maybe? Anyway, okay, so we have all the pieces in place. So we know what the jazz version is supposed to sound like with the violin, and we know what the vocal version is supposed to sound like. What are we supposed to do in Django music, you know? The lead sheet is here. I can't show every